FAQs about Aglaonema red zircon. When it comes to vibrant houseplants that can brighten up any space, Aglaonema red zircon is a standout choice. I've had my fair share of experiences with this plant, and I'd love to share some answers to the frequently asked questions I've encountered about it. If you're considering adding this stunning plant to your collection, here's everything you need to know. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is Aglaonema red zircon? Aglaonema red zircon is a popular variety of the Aglaonema family, known for its striking red and green foliage. This plant is appreciated for its colorful leaves and low-maintenance nature. The leaves feature a unique mix of dark green with vibrant red and pink highlights, making it a visually appealing addition to any room. It's a great choice for both beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts alike due to its resilience and easy care requirements. How to care for Aglaonema red zircon. Taking care of Aglaonema red zircon is relatively simple, which is one of the reasons I find it so appealing. Here's a quick guide on how to keep it healthy. Light requirements. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light. While it can tolerate lower light conditions, the vibrant colors are most pronounced in brighter spots. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Watering. Aglaonema red zircon prefers to be kept on the drier side. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's better to err on the side of caution. I usually water mine every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the humidity and temperature of my home. Humidity. This plant enjoys a moderate to high humidity level. If your home is dry, especially in winter, consider placing a humidifier nearby or occasionally misting the leaves to boost humidity. Temperature. Aglaonema red zircon prefers temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. It's best to keep it away from cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. I use a blend of potting soil, perlite, and peat moss. This mix ensures good aeration and prevents waterlogging. Fertilizing. Feed your Aglaonema red zircon with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce feeding in the fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. How to propagate Aglaonema red zircon. Propagation is a fun way to expand your collection or share this beautiful plant with friends. Here's how I propagate Aglaonema red zircon. Choose a healthy plant. Select a mature, healthy plant with multiple stems. Cutting. Use a clean, sharp knife or scissors to take a cutting with at least 2 to 3 leaves and a section of the stem. Prepare the cutting. Remove the lower leaves to expose the nodes, the small bumps where leaves attach to the stem. These nodes are where roots will develop. Rooting medium. Place the cutting in a container with water or directly in a pot with a well-draining soil mix. If using water, change it every few days to prevent stagnation. Transplant. Once roots develop, usually within a few weeks, transplant the cutting into a pot with soil. Keep it in a warm, humid environment to encourage growth. What to plant with Aglaonema red zircon. Aglaonema red zircon pairs beautifully with a variety of other houseplants. Some great companions include pothos. Their trailing vines contrast nicely with the upright, colorful foliage of Aglaonema. Snake plant. The bold, vertical leaves of snake plants complement the Aglaonema's foliage, creating an attractive contrast. ZZ plant. ZZ plants have glossy leaves that add a different texture and shine next to the vibrant Aglaonema. Common problems and solutions. Even with its resilience, Aglaonema red zircon can face a few issues. Here's how I address them. Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of overwatering or poor drainage. Check the soil and adjust your watering schedule if necessary. Brown leaf tips. This often indicates low humidity. Increase humidity around the plant or mist the leaves regularly. Pests. Keep an eye out for pests like spider mites or mealybugs. I use insecticidal soap or neem oil to treat any infestations. Conclusion. Aglaonema red zircon is a stunning and low-maintenance plant that adds a splash of color to any room. With its easy care requirements and propagation methods, it's a great choice for both new and experienced plant lovers. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to keeping your Aglaonema red zircon healthy and vibrant.